Mastering a language. Your path to fluency. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic. What it means to master a language. We often hear people say they want to master a language, but what does that truly entail? Let's unravel this together and understand the journey to becoming a language master. What does it mean to master a language? This phrase implies achieving a high level of proficiency in a language, encompassing various aspects like speaking, writing, listening, and reading. It's not just about knowing a lot of words or grammar rules. It's about using the language effectively and confidently in all sorts of situations. 1. Fluency in speaking. This means being able to express your thoughts without pausing too much to think about the right words or grammar. 2. Comprehensive listening skills, understanding spoken language in various accents and speeds. 3. Reading with understanding. Not just reading words but grasping the context, tone, and subtleties of the text. 4. Effective writing. Conveying your message clearly and appropriately, be it in a formal report or a casual email. 1. Consistent practice. Regular use of the language in all forms, speaking, listening, reading, and writing. 2. Immersive learning. Engaging with the language through movies, music, books, and conversations with native speakers. 3. Understanding cultural nuances. Language is not just about words. It's about the culture that shapes it. 4. Overcoming challenges. Dealing with complex grammar, idiomatic expressions, and understanding different dialects. Set realistic goals. Break your learning into manageable milestones. Use language learning tools. Leverage apps, online courses, and language learning groups. Practice daily. Even a few minutes a day can make a big difference. Seek feedback. Engage with native speakers or language teachers to correct and guide you. Mastering a language is a journey of continuous learning and practice. It's about embracing the language in all its aspects and integrating it into your daily life. We hope this video has shed light on what it takes to master a language and inspired you to keep pushing your linguistic boundaries. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.